we're giving all the treatment guide here on these pages. So this is just showing you the basic setting of how to do each treatment. You can go up more on the joules if the customer doesn't feel the pain or the heat. So we're just giving you the basic one, so people doesn't get burn or doesn't get any spot. And then you can see here, this is an IPL. Here you have an E-light. If you have an SHR, so this is all the basic. Then you have some different setting for females and some setting for males. But you can use 3 pages that we give for the basic one for males and females, and it's giving you exactly which filter to use and for which treatment that you want to do. So if you want to do a skin rejuvenation, you want to do an acne, you want to do a vascular, you want to do a wrinkle removal. So each one you can use a different treatment, and everything is here on the treatment guide.